Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to send files from your iPhone to your Mac. It's easier than you think. First, we need to enable the AirDrop functionality on both of our devices. This is essential for the file transfer to work. Let's start with your Mac. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, look for General in the left-hand side menu and click on it. Then find and click on AirDrop and Handoff. Inside the AirDrop settings, make sure AirDrop is toggled on at the very top. Just underneath, you'll see a drop-down menu. You want to select either Contacts Only or Everyone. For this example, I'm going to choose Contacts Only. Alright, that's the Mac side sorted. Now, let's move over to your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find General, and tap on it. Then tap on AirDrop. Just like on the Mac, you'll want to choose either Contacts Only or Everyone. I'm again selecting Contacts Only. Okay, both devices are now set up with AirDrop. Time to send a file. Find the file you want to share on your iPhone. In my case, the file is located in the Downloads folder within the Files app. But yours might be in the Notes app, or somewhere else. Once you've located the file, press and hold on it. This will bring up a context menu. From there, tap on the Share option. This will open the Share menu. You might see your Mac listed here automatically. If not, look for the AirDrop option just below and tap on it. This will display a list of nearby devices you can send files to. Simply tap on your Mac in the list, and the file will immediately be sent.
Now, let's switch back to the Mac.
As you can see, the file has been received and automatically opened in the Downloads folder. You can now use the file as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you share files from your iPhone to your Mac using AirDrop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.